In this video, we will be learning some Bemba words. Today, we'll be looking at ifyakulya. Ifyakulya. What does ifyakulya mean? That's right, you guessed it right. Ifyakulya means food. We will be looking at different types of ifyakulya. Here we have some yummy looking chilemba. Chilemba is beans. Chilemba. Chilemba. I love to eat inkonde. Bananas. I love to eat bananas. I love to eat inkonde. Inkonde. Bananas. Inkonde. Ilini. An egg. Ilini. 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 Many eggs. Amani. Amani. Kotapela. Avocado. Kotapela. May I have some kotapela, please? Kandolo. Kandolo. Sweet potatoes. Kandolo. I will have some kandolo for breakfast. Kandolo. Do you enjoy eating chicken? Chicken is inkoko. Inkoko. Do you enjoy eating inkoko? Inkoko. Yummy inkoko. The next food item we're going to look at is isabi. Isabi is fish. Here we have some yummy isabi. Yes, you said that right. Isabi. Here we have ichipushi. Ichipushi is a pumpkin. Ichipushi. Can you try that? Wow, wow, wow. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson as much as I did. So, we'll quickly go through the Bemba words we looked at today. Ifyakulya is food. The different types of ifyakulya we looked at is chilemba, Chilemba is beans. Kandolo, sweet potatoes. Kotapela, avocado. Inkonde, bananas. Ilini, 1 egg. Amani, many eggs. Ichipushi, that's a pumpkin. Isabi, fish. Inkoko, chicken. You can listen to this video every day. You can listen to it over and over again in order for you to remember these Bemba words for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. If there is any new Bemba word you would like to learn or you would like to know, please leave us a message on our Facebook page and we will do a video for you. Thank you.